This is why you need a parrot. They turn chores into comedy and hearts into nests. Watch their tiny rituals unfold. Parrots are tiny routines wrapped in feathers. They preen like spa pros, cleaning, rearranging, and posing. They'll stash socks or shiny bits like tiny pirates. Don't be surprised if a missing earring shows up in the plant. They mimic alarms, laughter, and sometimes the kitchen timer. Because why not be the band in your house? Watch for head bobs, feather fluffs, and beak taps. Those mean happy, curious, or ready to play. Respect their space, reward good behavior with treats, and you'll unlock a lifetime of goofy, feathered companionship. Cute, decoded.